Okay, so this is part 3 of the video series on problems on identities. And here we have the problem that says use the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab to find the following products. So here you have one, then you have some more problems here. You have to use this identity. The important thing is that this is not a standard identity. This is a general identity. You have to keep this thing in your mind. Now, if you look at this expression, that is x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7, and you have to use this identity to solve this problem, to simplify it, then here you have x and this is 3, so x plus a means a is 3, then multiplied by x plus b, b means 7. So this will be equal to x squared plus a plus b means 3 plus 7, because this is a and this is b. X plus ab means 3 multiplied by 7. This gives you x squared plus 10x plus 21. Okay, now here this is 4x plus 5 multiplied by 4x plus 1. So again, you have to keep this in mind, that in this case you have this will function as x, so this is also x, this will be a, this will be b, because if you look at this one carefully, this is x plus a multiplied by x plus b. So in this case, this 4x will act as x, because you have to correlate this with this identity, that is x plus a multiplied by x plus b. So x plus a means 5, x plus b, that is 4x plus 1, that is b. So this will be equal to x squared, so this is 4x squared, plus a plus b means 5 plus 1 multiplied by x. So here our x is actually what? 4x. Okay, then plus b squared means, plus a multiplied by b means 5 multiplied by 1. So this is 4 times 4 is 16x squared plus 6, 5 plus 1 is what? 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So 24x then plus 5. This is the answer. Here it is 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 1. Now, if we write this as 4x plus within the bracket minus 1 and multiplied by 4x plus within the bracket minus 1, this is minus 5, this is minus 5 and this is minus 1. So now if you look at this expression, this is actually of the form x plus a multiplied by x plus b, where your x is 4x, a is minus 5, this is x, and this is b, right? So your answer will be x squared, that is 4x squared, then it is plus a plus b means what? Minus 5 plus minus 1, and multiplied by x means 4x, then plus a multiplied by b means minus 5 multiplied by minus 1. So this gives you 16x squared minus 5 plus minus 1 means minus 6, plus minus 6 multiplied by 4x plus minus 5 multiplied by minus 1 is 5. This is 16x squared. This gives you minus 24x plus 5. Now here you have 4x plus 5 and 4x minus 1. Okay, so if we write this in the form 4x plus 5 and this is 4x plus minus 1. Now if you look at this expression, it's actually of the form x plus a multiplied by x plus b, right? So here your x is actually what, 4x, and your a is actually what, 5, and b is actually what, minus 1. Now the answer will be 4x whole squared, that is x squared, plus a plus b means 5 plus minus 1 multiplied by x, plus ab means 5 multiplied by minus 1. This gives you 16x squared plus 4x, and this is 5 multiplied by minus 1, this is minus 5. Now 2x multiplied by 5y multiplied by 2x plus 3y. Okay, so again you have to use the same one, that is x plus a multiplied by x plus b, right? So in this case you have to pay attention that actually this x is present in this binomial and x is present in this binomial as well, in both these two binomials. So x has to be common. This will act as x and this will act as a and this will act as b. So this is 2x squared means 2x squared plus a plus b means 5y plus 3y multiplied by x means 2x plus ab means 5y multiplied by 3y. This is 4x squared, this is 8y multiplied by 2x means 16xy plus 15y squared. Okay, this is 2a squared plus 9 and multiplied by 2a squared plus 5. 2a squared is here, 2a squared is here. It means that x plus a multiplied by x plus b. This is x, this is x, and this is a, this is b. So this is 2a squared, this is x squared means 2a squared whole squared plus a plus b means 9 plus 5 multiplied by x plus ab means 9 multiplied by 5. This is 2a squared whole squared. So this is basically 2 multiplied by 2, and then this is a squared whole squared means what? A squared whole squared, right? This is 2a squared means 2 whole squared means 2 multiplied by 2, and this a squared will be raised to the power whole 2 plus 9 plus 5 is 14x, and here you have 45. So if you solve this you get 4. A squared whole squared is actually what? A squared multiplied by a squared, that is a2 plus 2, that is a raised to the power of 4, or straight can be a2 multiplied by 2. You should know exponents and powers, the concept of exponents and powers. That's important. We have discussed earlier, when we were learning mathematics for grade 7, right? This is grade 7. So this is 4a raised to the power of 4 plus, sorry, okay, that's my mistake. It should be, I'm sorry, it should be actually 2a squared. This is x means what? 2a squared, I'm sorry. This is 2a squared. So this is 4a raised to power of 4. This will be 28a squared. Okay, I'm sorry. And then you have 45, right? Here you have xyz minus 4 and xyz minus 2. xyz is here and xyz is here. So when you apply x plus a multiplied by x plus b, then if you rewrite it as xyz plus minus 4, and this is xyz plus minus 2, then this xyz is actually what? X, this is x, this is a, this is b. So this is x plus a multiplied by x plus b. So this is x squared. So x, y, z whole squared, right? Then this is plus a plus b means that this is actually minus 4 plus minus 2, and multiplied by x means x, y, z, then plus ab means minus 4 multiplied by minus 2. Okay, now this is x multiplied by y multiplied by z whole square. Okay, it's of the form a multiplied by b multiplied by c raised to power of n. This is actually equal to a raised to power of n multiplied by b raised to power of n multiplied by c raised to power of n. This is the property of exponents. Okay, so from this you get x squared, y squared, z squared, and then you have plus, this is minus 4 plus minus 2 means minus 4 minus 2, this is minus 6 x, y, z. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 is what? 8. So this is x squared, y squared, z squared is minus 6x, y, z plus 8. This is your answer.